About to frame a wall up right here to make this an office. What else I gotta do? Paint the bathrooms, flooring. Paint the bathrooms, flooring. I gotta paint these too. Those things. That's about it. We were supposed to add the sink right here, but they did away with it. So, yeah. Excuse my allergies, y'all. But yeah, that's what we got going on so far. What started as a large opening is now a wall. Door go right there. That's my door. Door go over there. All I gotta do is paint it. Well, I got one more sand. Probably take another hour or so to dry. I don't feel like waiting. I'll sand it in the morning. Paint that. Spots over there. I'll take the east side too. It's gonna be our office, I think. I don't know, y'all. I'm still trying to get neat with the giant, but she good though. See, I got them dark spots. That's still a little wet. And I had to make that corner, so if you know, you know. Literally had to make that jump because the gap was, whew. But I came up with a trick for that. So yeah, I just finished drying. This was wide open, so it's about to be closed in with a dough. For sure.